Anyways, get ready with me after the pool. Day 3 of trying to hit 200K. I just got my new light. This is the one Zoe Mordez recommended. Ooh, okay. Let's see what other filters it has. Oh my god. Oh my god. So it's this one. Sisters are about to film some reels. Just completely changed the lighting, but these are my pimple patches I've been using. And they're from Self, and they are so good. One right here last night, and it actually helped a lot. We also have youth tonight, which is going to be so fun because I haven't been to youth in like 2 weeks since we've also been gone. Keep leaving a day before youth, and it's really sad. So I feel like I'm getting so tan. Like, oh, you can tell where I don't tan. Like to get a new summer shade and concealer feels like you can see it. It's okay because we have bronzer. Here's today's vlog today. I'm doing this new method. I've seen Evie do it a little bit, but she puts like her highlighter with her blush. I never can stick to like one makeup routine. Like I can, but like I do it differently every time. Brushes! Every time I make a get ready with me, it just reminds me of how much I miss my old vanity. The vanity. Okay, I kind of need to do something with this hair because I have youth tonight. Okay, anyways, I love you guys so much. Make sure to follow so we can get to 200K. Yes, so much. Bye.
Guys, get ready with me for bed. Let's quickly get in my pajamas. I'm so tired. When I tell you I've literally been playing Adopt Me most of today, I mean it. Guys, please comment for your page if this lands on your FYP. Also, please drop a follow because I'm trying to become an influencer. I don't know why, but it feels like I wasn't at school yesterday, but I was at school yesterday because it was Friday. I've now just realised I haven't even wiped my makeup off, but what can we do now? I haven't used this moisturiser in literally forever. Oh. Anyways, I'm ready now. Love you all. Bye.